Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into one of the simplest yet most powerful superfoods you can add to your diet, oatmeal. Stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll discover why eating oatmeal every day can transform your health. First up, let's talk about nutrient density. Oatmeal is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This means it's a powerhouse of nutrition that fuels your body with what it needs to stay healthy and vibrant. Now, let's get into one of the most impressive benefits, heart health. Oatmeal contains beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that helps reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels. This is huge for lowering your risk of heart disease. Plus, the fiber and antioxidants in oats help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin response. Talk about a win-win. If weight management is on your radar, oatmeal's got your back. Its high fiber and protein content promotes satiety, keeping you full and satisfied longer. This can help reduce hunger and support weight loss efforts. And don't forget about your gut. The prebiotic fiber in oats feeds beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Speaking of the gut, oatmeal's fiber content is also fantastic for digestive health. It helps regulate bowel movements and supports healthy gut motility. Plus, the antioxidants in oats can reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, making your digestive system happier overall. Let's not overlook oatmeal's anti-inflammatory effects. It contains avenanthramides, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. This is crucial for keeping your body in top shape. Other amazing benefits of oatmeal include improved blood pressure and a reduced risk of certain cancers like colon, breast, and prostate cancers. The fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals in oats play a significant role here. Additionally, oatmeal supports a healthy gut-liver axis, reducing the risk of liver disease. So, what should you remember? Choose whole grain oats, steel-cut, or rolled oats for the most nutritional benefits. Cook them with water or low-fat milk to enhance fiber and nutrient retention. And don't be shy about adding fruits, nuts, or seeds for extra flavor, fiber, and antioxidants. Overnight oats or slow-cooked oatmeal can be a convenient and nutritious breakfast option. And of course, always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized nutrition advice. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Here's to a healthier you with every bite of oatmeal. Catch you next time.